guys, it's Bailey
and Skyla.
that's the guest today. And today we're gonna do the hot fries challenge because we just wanted to get hot fries. We didn't want Takis, but well, we didn't see Takis at the store, so we have our bowl. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it up with the hot fries, and we have our water. Whoever drinks the water first loses. I hope we're not gonna end up eating all of these without drinking the water. You're going down.
No, you are going down.
I'll put our Instagram in the description. So, yeah, let's get started. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, it goes right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
These are good.
This girl right here loves hot stuff and sour stuff. I like sweet and sour. I mean, hot stuff is good, but
Toto's in the video.
yeah. Toto, meow meow.
Oh my mom. Get it.
Meow meow haven't got on camera yet. Meow meow.
Get. Can Toto have one?
Maybe even eats it. Yeah.
Here, Mama.
Your foot is in the camera.
Mama likes it. I wonder who's gonna lose.
Wow, look how big this one is.
See you next time on Independent Lens. Check Independent Lens online at pbs.org. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Watch videos watch every program on our website.
My mouth is burning. Are you peeing?
No.
This program is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, the John D. and Kathleen Carter Foundation, and our contributions to the
Want another one?
Thank you.
It's really windy outside. Outside.
Wait, can we take breaks in this?
No.
We can't.
Mm-mm.
Hold on, we're doing a hot fries challenge.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Join us in local USA.
We ate about half the bowls already.
Yeah. I can see through the bowl. Maybe we should have got 2 bags. I think. But we're eating really slow right now.
Kirby.
I think I'm gonna lose.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna lose.
Why? Is your mouth burning?
It was on fire.
Go ahead and take a sip of that
Is my
water.
tongue red? Pinkish reddish. I really want to. Ugh.
Hi, once again, Smith. Here on the world, we've got something to celebrate. Why?
We've been doing this for 6 minutes now.
News programs all over the world, bringing us closer to cultures.
How you know? Oh, it says it.
I think we're gonna lose.
Go ahead and take a sip of that water.
Alright. No break.
That wasn't a break. I was bringing in some air.
Okay, I got it. I got you.
Me too. Well, she lost. I won, guys.
That was hot. Talkies are harder than that. Yeah.
Yeah, the lime Takis.
The purple bag Talkies.
They have purple bag that are hot, extreme, and they have purple bag that are not extreme, and they have purple bag that is
Purple bag
lime.
hot extreme. Oh my gosh. Come on, give me some of that.
Okay.
Okay, we would really enjoy if you guys would try this and comment.
Comment below what other challenges you want us to do. And remember, who wants to be normal when you can be crazy? Bye.